Eileen J. O'Connor is a lawyer who headed the DOJ's tax division, and she joins us now. So, Eileen, do you suspect that this judge might just say, no way, Jose, on this plea deal?
Well, it could happen. It doesn't happen often at all. The reason I wrote my op-ed, because I wanted the public to understand what had happened in this case. Informed citizens are essential to the operations of this government. And from my decades as a tax practitioner and my 6 years as head of the tax division, I read Special Agent Shapley's testimony with deep, deep interest. When I got to page 95, my jaw dropped. That's where the testimony specifies that as early as June 2021, the prosecution team understood that because crimes must be prosecuted in the district where they occur, Attorney General Garland's failure to make U.S. Attorney Weiss a special counsel guaranteed that Hunter Biden would not be prosecuted for his tax crimes, because every U.S. attorney is in charge of the law enforcement in his district. Since 2014 and 2015 had to be charged in the District of Columbia, and the later years had to be charged in Los Angeles, and U.S. Attorney Weiss is in Delaware. It was clear that without special counsel authority, U.S. Attorney Weiss was not going to be able to charge Hunter Biden's tax crimes.
So you're basically saying that two U.S. attorneys, one in D.C. and one in California, said, no, you're not going to do any indictments in my jurisdiction. And he wasn't allowed to get, according to eyewitnesses, special counsel powers. So he was blocked, and he was left with a few weak charges in Delaware. But that's not what the Attorney General said. Do you see a cover-up here?
Exactly. I wouldn't call it a cover-up necessarily. As a matter of fact, I'd like to, I want to throw a bouquet to Special Agent Shapley for bringing this forward. This is so important that malfeasance in the administration of justice be brought forward and that Congress be able to perform its oversight function and do something about it. What's so disturbing here is that, well, let me mention, I also want to thank the Wall Street Journal for publishing my op-ed, and giving it such a catchy title. My title had actually been Corruption, Collusion, or Mere Incompetence, because any of those might actually describe what caused what happened here to happen here. Attorney General Garland testified under oath to Congress in March that he had given U.S. Attorney Weiss all the authority he needed to do whatever he needed to do, wherever he needed to do it. But you might recall that when Deputy Attorney General Rod Rosenstein named Robert Mueller special counsel, we were able to see the contemporaneous documentation of that authority and of what that enabled special counsel Robert Mueller to do. There has been no documentation at all of Attorney General Garland's assertion that he gave Weiss authority. And we can see from what happened that apparently he didn't have it. Either he didn't have it or he didn't understand that he had it, because what has happened here is a failure to bring charges that people who have been reading the news closely at all for the last several years understand is a serious miscarriage of justice.
It sure is. And if you lie under oath to Congress, there's consequences for that. Eileen, thank you very much. And everybody go to the Wall Street Journal right now and read her op-ed if you haven't already. We appreciate it.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.